Hi everyone, I'm Julia from Sungold Solar. Welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here as we dive into the fascinating world of solar energy. Today we are talking about a topic that's dear and near to boating enthusiasts, solar yacht systems. In this episode, I will guide you in 4 key aspects of solar yacht systems. Firstly, what exactly is the solar yacht system and what's the essential components? Secondly, how to choose the right solar panels. Should you go for flexible solar panels or glass solar panels? Thirdly, how to design the solar systems for your boat. And finally, we'll take some common questions in the FAQ section. No matter you're new to solar energy or looking to upgrade your boat power system, I promise you will find something valuable in today's video. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get started.
Part 1. What exactly is a yacht solar system, and what are its essential components?
A typical solar system includes solar panels, a charge controller, a batteries, and an inverter. Each of these components plays a crucial role. The panels capture sunlight. The solar controller regulates power. The batteries store energy. And the inverter converts it for use in your devices. Together, they create a clean and efficient power source for your yacht.
Part 2. How to choose solar panels.
Choosing the right solar panels depends on the type of your boat. For rigid roofs, durable glass panels are an excellent choice, offering long-lasting performance even in harsh conditions. For curved hulls, like the deck of the ship, flexible panels are the perfect fit, lightweight and salt-resistant. They can even snap on. If space of your boat is limited, portable HP panels are a practical solution, easy to install and ready to use. They provide an on-the-go energy for boats of any size. Whatever you need, there is a solution just designed for you.
Part 3. How to design solar systems for your boat.
The first step in designing solar system is determining the available space on your boat for installing solar panels. Measuring the dimensions of your roof, deck, or any other potential installation area. This will help you figure out how many solar panels you can install and the total capacity. Once you know the available space, the next step is to determine how much power your boat needs. Calculate the total voltage based on the electric devices you daily use, like lights, refrigerators, and the navigation equipment. For example, if your daily consumption is 3,000 watt-hour, then your solar energy can generate at least this amount. Solar panel generates electricity, but it is batteries that store it. Choosing the right battery is essential. First, make sure your batteries matches your energy needs. A good rule of thumb is to have at least double storage capacity of your energy use for cloudy days or emergencies. Lithium batteries are a good choice for boat use for its high efficiency and a long lifespan. The charge controller is like the brain of your solar system, managing the energy flow between your panels and the batteries. There are 2 main types, PWM and MPPT. MPPT controller is more efficient, especially for larger systems. The inverter, on the other hand, converts the DC power from the solar panels into AC power for your appliance. Let's bring it all together with practical example. Imagine your boat with a roof of 4 square meters, and your daily energy consumption is 2000 watt-hour. With 5 hours of sunlight, then you will need 400 solar system, pair it with 200 amp-hour lithium batteries and MPPT solar controller to optimum performance.
Part 4. Common questions you may concern. Question 1. Can solar panels generate electricity on cloudy or rainy days?
Yes, solar panels can also produce electricity during low light conditions, but reduce efficiency. If you often sail under this weather, considering to use high-efficiency solar panels paired with high-capacity batteries to store energy for later use.
Question 2. How often should you clean the solar panels on your boat?
Cleaning every 2 to 3 months is typically sufficient depending on the environment. Salt spray and dust accumulating during sailing can reduce the solar energy. Use clean water and soft clothes, avoiding abrasive or corrosive cleaning agents.
Question 3. Can a solar system be integrated with your boat's existing generation?
Absolutely. Solar energy can work alongside generators to form a hybrid setup. When solar energy is insufficient, the generator acts as a backup source. So welcome to consult Sungold to ensure a safe and efficient configuration.
Question 4. Will installing a solar system affect your boat's speed or performance?
Not significantly, as long as the solar system is properly installed with weights evenly distributed. Lightweight or portable solar panels are lightweight, making them ideal for small or high-speed boats.
Question 5. How do you know if your battery is suitable for a solar system?
It's important to consider the battery's capacity, voltage, and the discharge characteristics. The battery should match the solar panel's voltage and have enough capacity to store a 4 days' power. Lithium batteries are often the best choice, offering long lifespan and high efficiency. Solar energy is the key to unlocking clean and reliable power for your boats. It's eco-friendly, efficient, and tailored to specific your needs. Ready to make your boating experience better? Follow us and visit Sungold Solar for expert advice and custom solution. Together, let's power your adventure sustainably.